and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this delicious and refreshing watermelon drink, so keep on watching. So for this I've taken a small piece of watermelon and I'm cutting it into cubes, vertically at first and then in the opposite direction. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now cut it into small cubes and scrape it off using a knife into a bowl. Next, using a spoon or a spatula, gently crush the watermelon cubes. Don't crush it entirely. We just want the bigger chunks to get a little smaller. Next, add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. I'm using homemade condensed milk and mix well. Next, add around 200 ml of cold milk and mix well. Here you can adjust your sugar, and if you want it sweeter, you can add a little more sugar. And it's as easy as that. You can serve it cold and you can even add ice cubes if you like. And our delicious and refreshing watermelon drink is ready. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.